42.5% times what number, means n equals 8. Okay? Now I have to find value of n. In order to find n, I have to divide both sides equation by whatever is next to n, whatever is multiplied to n. So 42.5% is multiplied to n, that's why I'm going to divide by it, and I have 42.5%. 42.5% and 42.5% will cancel out, and I'm going to have n equals 8 over 42.5%. Remember, we don't like to have percents in the denominator. That's why I'm going to multiply that fraction by 100%. Of course, over 1. Percent and percent will cancel out. I cannot reduce anything at this moment, so I'm going to simply multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by the denominator. 8 times 100 is 800 over 42.5 times 1 is 42.5. Now we have to perform the division. So I'm going to have 800 over 42.5. Remember, anytime we have problem like this, we have to eliminate the decimal point from the divisor by simply moving decimal point once to right in this case. Whatever I did over here for the divisor, I have to also do for dividend. Okay, so my problem right now is going to look like this. I have 8,000 over 425. In other words, 8,000 divided by 425. The question is, how many times 425 goes into 800? 1. 1 times 425 is 425. Subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. I have to bring down 0. How many times 425 goes into 3,750? It goes 8 times. 8 times 425 is equal 3,400. Subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay? So basically right now I can write the answer, and this is going to be n equals 18, and I have 350 over 425. Numerator and denominator I can reduce by 25. Okay, so I'm going to have 18, and 350 divided by 25 is 14, and 425 by 25 is 17. And this is the solution to my problem.